Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini. To begin, simply open your web browser or the dedicated mobile application. You will see a clear chat interface where you can type your requests. Start by entering a simple question or command into the input box at the bottom. Gemini is designed to understand natural language, making it easy to get started right away. This initial step is all it takes to begin interacting with the powerful AI. Gemini offers a wide range of powerful features to assist you. You can ask it to generate creative content, such as a short story or a marketing slogan. It's also excellent for summarizing long articles or reports, providing you with the essential information quickly. Furthermore, if you're working on a coding project, Gemini can help by writing code snippets, debugging, or explaining complex programming concepts. These capabilities make it a versatile tool for many different needs. To get the most out of Gemini, focus on crafting clear and specific prompts. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can understand your intent and deliver accurate results. Consider integrating Gemini with other applications you use daily to streamline your workflow. For example, you might use it to draft emails or create content directly within your preferred platform. Explore the settings to personalize your experience, adjusting preferences to suit your individual work style. Gemini can significantly enhance your daily productivity, from quickly answering questions to helping you brainstorm ideas for projects. It's an invaluable asset for content creators, assisting with everything from blog posts to social media captions, saving you valuable time. Remember to stay refreshed while you work. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Gemini is constantly evolving, offering new ways to support your tasks and creative endeavors, making your digital life easier and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.